First trade of 2026. We are green on the day, but it wasn't great. We had the right read on the market. The game plan did exactly what we were looking for today. We just mismanaged the trade once we took profits, and we got stopped out on the runners a little early. So you're not going to catch every move, and you're not going to catch the entire move. We got a good piece of it. Risk was managed, and we built a little cushion on the account to start the year. So there's nothing to be too upset with today. On the 1 hour chart, we had this red zone, major supply zone, rejection, and then we had a bearish 1 hour fair value gap right there. And on the open, we completely disrespected it. Strong close above both of those highs. And we were also holding the previous high back from last week. I'm bullish on the day after seeing this candle. So now it's just patience and looking for an entry. Okay, we move down to the 15-minute chart, and now we've got a 15-minute fair value gap above the previous 1 hour fair value gap that we disrespected. So it's inversed. Now we've got this one. Anything between these white lines is where I'm going to be looking for some type of entry signal. So we're on the 2-minute chart. We've got the 15-minute fair value gap at the two white lines. The green is the top of the 15-minute opening range. Orange is pre-market high. If I can find something below VWAP, around pre-market high and the 15-minute opening range, I would be interested if price action can show me some buyers stepping in to look for a long there. So we did take an attempt. Once we got a wick off the opening range, it immediately failed. I cut it for 14%. It was just a starter position, so not a huge dollar amount lost. Next candle immediately reclaimed it pretty strong. Took an entry, added to it once we got that wick showing strength. 10 minutes later, we hit the first profit target at VWAP. The plan was high a day, so it did actually go there, and the stop should have been below the opening range. If we're above there, there's no reason to cut this trade. I think emotions just played a role. I didn't want to see this win get wiped out and have a break even or a red day, so I cut the runners for 5% there once it failed. It did hold the stop level, and it did run the rest of the day right to the target for 80%, so we did miss out on that part of the move. But overall, we built a cushion for the rest of the year, and we did catch a pretty good trade showing a lot of patience today.